Hayden here from Texas Speed and Performance. The Brawler Lawn Block giveaway is going on right now. You have until May 30th to get your entries in. For every dollar you spend here at the shop, it doesn't matter if it's online or over the phone. Every dollar you spend, you get entered to win the very first Brawler Lawn Block package. Do not miss out, you guys. It's happening right now. All right, you guys, we're off work. As you can see, Bandy's behind me. Chase over there, just got the balancer pulled off. Our F-body guru here is overseeing this entire process.
It was the bottom.
You want an extension, dude?
Yeah, I'm raw dogging it, man. Yeah, I want an extension.
See, come on, man. How bad?
They're fine. Cam bearings are fine. So, about to throw the new cam in, and then reverse process, put everything back together. All right, so this is a new cam going in. This is our Tsunami V2 to 235, 240 on a 111, 629 intake, 615 exhaust. It's a pretty rowdy little cam for a 346 LS1, but it should run good. It is gonna be paired with those 30,000 mil 243 heads with the PRC stage 1 port job. It's gonna be a little tight, but PTB is fine, so we checked. So, cam's about to go in. There we go. Bam.
Okay. So we're just lining all the dots up. So on the bottom on the cam gear right here, there's a dot. I don't know if you can see it in there. And then on whatever cam gear you got, there's also a dot. So to time these LS's, all you essentially need to do is get it in there. They need to face dot, needs to face dot. So
Dot to dot?
Yep, cam gear to crank gear, dot to dot. Torque it down and send it. FTI in the house.
Shout out to FTI. They also, you know, got Bandy back on the road.
They did.
Quite literally. Back on, well, yeah, back on the track.
On the streets.
Back on the streets.
I'm just gonna start feeding it transmission fluid. If I can get it out of the box.
Woohoo, boy. Making sure that the trays are the right way this time, right?
I think that's right.
We put the trays back.
Whoever rebuilt the motor last time?
Yeah. I mean, they go either way.
What's the torque on lifting tray bolts? Like 4 inch-pounds?
Level 1 Milwaukee 1 Dugga.
This is the factory GM 243 799 PRC port job. Stage 1, which just simply means reused the 2-inch and the 155 valves, just blasted and recut them. He has the dual springs on it, and he milled them 30 thousandths. So what are you aiming for, like 11.3 to 1?
Yeah, it's gonna be around 11.3. So, it's gonna have good compression, good dynamic compression. So, it'll be a good setup. My bad. Good bump.
You got that one. Like on the front.
So what I do is I'll do them to 22 foot-pounds of their stock head bolts. So you do them 22 foot-pounds, and then I'll mark the very bottom of the bolt at the very bottom, because you got to do 22 foot-pounds plus 90 degrees plus 70 degrees. So that way I know when my mark is almost at the top that I've hit every one of the bolts. So just to double check yourself.
Rockers in, push rods in, intake
On.
For those that'll be at LS Fest, Texas, we got something really special for you. Can't give you the details yet, but all I gotta say is stop by the booth, come and see us, because we will have something that, wouldn't y'all say that a lot of people are gonna, it'll be pretty cool what we got planned for LS Fest, Texas, right?
Oh yeah. Something that people don't usually do. So we'll say that. So I'm gonna put this thing in, Usually gonna feel for about two clunks or clicks.
2.
There's gonna be another one.
2. Would have been 3.
3. And now she's all the way in the pump.
Trans is on, headers are on, wiring harness is somewhat on. They're about to lower the car onto the motor.
So we just got done dropping the car on the K member. Now we're got Nick down there connecting the transmission cross member. What'd you say, 19? 19. Here's a 19. He's down there connecting the cross member right now. That way we can lift the car up, get the table out from underneath it. Bigger, 21? And then we're probably gonna call it for tonight. And then tomorrow we'll get all the wiring hooked back up, everything connected, all the small little bits, put a tune up in it, and crank it.
Chase, what do you think it'll run?
You what? Ran a 13.3 bone stock, converter heads cam, good tire.
Yeah, we put
12.3, 12.4.
with a good tire on it.
Anything more?
What gear's in the rear?
323.
Ooh. Yeah, probably around there. 12.1. 12.1. 12.1 at
All low 12s.
12.1 at 116.
12.4, 112.
Well, we got it all bolted up, got the drive shaft in, bolted the torque arm in, got the brake lines and all of the transmission lines together. All that's left is the starter, zip tying up some of the O2 extensions,
Belts, coolant,
lead the brakes,
start it up, tune it.
Is this one of those things you could do in your sleep too?
No, everything's harder on an automatic car. So we're fighting with the stock cooler lines against the cross member here. Once we get past that, though, it'll go right in.
Oh, you need new transmission line front.
Prime it.
Not bad.
My big dog, first pass since the upgrades.
Let's do it. Hopefully it'll run something good, but I mean, it's hot, street tires, so we're gonna see. I'm hoping for like a 12.4, 12.3, it'll be good.
Let me get you up there. right, you guys, it's a hot day today. We're officially done with Chase's build series. I'm gonna let my man here tell you the improvements or the non-improvements. It's improvements.
All right, guys, so quick rundown. We did the heads to cam converter on the car. Did that in 1 week, came back out to the track a week later, got it done, got it here on the track, made a pass. So old time was a 13.3 at 107, and our new was a 12.3 at 111, so full second. Pretty damn good. Car feels really, really strong. It's running hard. Still street tires, everything stock rear end, stock tranny just with converter, heads and cam. Pick up a full second. There's a whole lot more in it once I get it completely tuned, but I'd say that's a damn success.
You heard it here first, guys. It was a success. So tune in next time where we will be ripping a clutch, doing a brake job out of a pretty rowdy Mustang that we have at the shop. One of our guys is gonna let us do some maintenance. It's not necessarily a build series for this one, but we are gonna put it on the lift, change some things up, make a couple pulls maybe if he lets me. Not me, of course, I'll just be riding passenger. But yeah, like, share, comment below, do all the things that we need y'all to, and tune in next time for the next series.